Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your HMRC self-assessment. We'll cover the different ways you can settle your tax bill, ensuring you choose the method that best suits you. It's crucial to understand the payment deadlines to avoid any unexpected penalties or interest. We'll also show you how to easily track your payments and manage your account online, making the process straightforward and stress-free. You have several convenient options for paying your self-assessment. You can make a payment directly from your bank account using online banking or faster payments. Debit and corporate credit cards are accepted online or over the phone. For regular payments, consider setting up a direct debit. Additionally, the HMRC app allows you to pay directly through your online bank account, offering flexibility and ease. Meeting your payment deadlines is essential to avoid extra charges. The primary deadline for your tax bill is usually January 31st. If you make payments on account, the second one is typically due by July 31st. Missing these dates can result in penalties. For example, a 5% penalty applies to tax unpaid after 30 days. Interest is also charged on overdue amounts from the day following the deadline. It's easy to keep track of your payments and balance. You can view your full payment history and any outstanding amounts by logging into your online HMRC account. If you find yourself struggling to pay your tax bill, please don't hesitate to contact HMRC directly. They can discuss options like a time to pay arrangement, which could provide you with more time to settle your tax.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.